The crypto market is evolving fast, and 2025 is shaping up to be a game-changing year. So, what can investors expect? Let's dive into some key predictions. First, Bitcoin's dominance could continue, with some experts forecasting a new all-time high. With the Bitcoin halving in 2024 reducing supply, demand could skyrocket, pushing prices beyond expectations. Meanwhile, Ethereum and altcoins are also set for massive growth. With Ethereum's shift to proof of stake fully integrated, we could see faster, cheaper transactions, boosting adoption. Layer 2 solutions and new blockchain innovations will drive competition in the smart contract space. The rise of institutional adoption will be a major catalyst. Big financial firms, banks, and even governments are exploring crypto-backed financial products. More regulatory clarity could bring in trillions of dollars in institutional investments. Let's not forget DeFi and NFTs. Decentralized finance is expected to grow, offering new ways to earn, borrow, and trade without middlemen. NFTs may evolve beyond art, with real-world applications in gaming, real estate, and digital ownership. Another big trend? AI and blockchain integration. With AI-powered trading bots and smart contract automation, crypto could become more efficient and accessible. But of course, volatility remains. Regulations, global events, and market sentiment will continue to play a huge role in shaping the industry. So, what's your take? Which crypto trends are you most excited about in 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.